your room as a BB like meditation like Dad's room is so comfy and cozy.
Look at him trying to get up. He wants to get up. He ain't ready for bed.
What are you doing? You're not going to sleep?
No.
You're in the place, don't you, and that, because it's so comfy.
He wants to get back in that walker and run raid round the house.
Don't
Do ya? Do ya?
Don't you?
What are you doing?
I was trying to get you. You're trying to get it though. It's got your wire to the camera. You little monster, you are, aren't you? What's that?
Should be asleep. Yeah. Look at you trying to get up. You ain't getting up. Sleep time. That's it. She's turned the light off. Turn the camera off. What are you doing? You've suffocated him. Can't leave him like, look at him.
He does it himself.
He does it himself. He threw it over his head.
Yeah,
He had no choice.
You do it again, right there. What? You don't like it? You I've got to turn the light off because
Hold on, just a sec. Say good night, Jaden. Say God bless. Say hugs and kisses. No, hugs and kisses. Cuddles and squeezes. Love ya.
What to say? Your prayer.
God bless you. That's it. Good night then. He's rolled over onto his face. You sure he's alright? What are you going to do? Stay awake all night to make sure you don't do that again?
No.
Good night, Rio. I think you should go to bed now, Nikki, as well. Keep your eye on him.